Hello, I'm going to show you how to install FTB Launcher, basically this, for Linux and Mac. Now I haven't tested Mac on this, as I don't have any Mac computer, I'm not sure. I'm sure you can find another installation video if it doesn't work, but I definitely know how to use it for Linux, because I've used it on my brother's PC, which runs it. Now, load Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, basically any internet browser that you want to use. Now, I previously told people to use the multi-MC installation. Well, I'm not going to go through all those problems with it and all the things that you need to do and how much harder it is than doing this, but I recommend that you don't use it. Okay, so go to www.feed/the/beast.com, come up with this and click on download. Now you'll have loads of different downloads here. You don't want to download server, you don't want to look at support. So you don't want to download the exe either. Definitely don't download that. Download the jar. Click on keep. Now click that file. Now this is very easy for Windows. This is all you have to do pretty much for Windows, and it's very simple, but that's not what I want to look at. I want to look at Linux. So Ubuntu 04 or 10 loads this. So this is documentation on how to use Java. Now this is the only important thing you need to know about this, is that you want to get OpenJDK, nothing else. It works perfectly, and you can use Oracle if you really want to go through the painful process of sorting out the lib files, and but get on OpenJDK and go into Ubuntu Software Center. Now I'm sure you know where that is. You get most of your downloads from there probably. Search for OpenJDK, get the Java. I can't remember which version. 7. Yes, get OpenJDK 7. Load that up, and you should have it installed. Now, what you need to do is you need to right-click. Now it won't come with this obviously, but you need to right-click on the file, and you need to go down to Properties at the bottom. Now it will come up with this. So obviously you won't be looking at the Hindu Delhi, but you need to click on Permission. I need to go to Allow Executing File as Program. Now also, if you want to completely run it on JDK all the time, click on Open With, go down and select OpenJDK 7 and set it as default program. It should be down here somewhere. So once you've allowed executing a file of program here, you need to click Close. Now all you have to do is either right click it and select OpenJDK, or just left click it if you've selected the Open With, and it should completely load. That's pretty much it. I'm not too sure how to do it for Mac, but I'm sure you could find out. I suggest that it will probably work with normal Java. If not, you can do OpenJDK and get it from a Mac site, because I'm sure it's a lot easier to use than Linux. There's previous problems I've had with Linux, but enough about that. So basically, to start Feed the Beast on anything, it should come up with this. It probably won't look exactly the same because it will be a Java version, but don't bother about this really. You can install the texture pack if you really want, or map, but you go down to Minecraft pack, don't select recommended, select 6. Now you need to create a profile, choose a username, password or profile name, and you need to select that. So I'll launch this. Now it shouldn't take too long. I'll pause it though, just for, well, that's really. Okay, it should be loading up soon. It takes take a little bit of a while, obviously, but once it's loaded, you'll just have Mindcrack, and it should run perfectly fine. Now, if Linux starts with a problem with FML, or it doesn't load with Forge Mod Loader, then I recommend you contact me, because honestly there are so many problems that Linux can encounter when running this. Now it doesn't seem to load, so I'm not really bothered about that. I'm sure you know what it looks like. So once that's loaded, just type in the IP and you're done. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.